welcome to Penang, Jade. Welcome to Penang. Jade, durian cookie.
You wanna buy durian
So good.
cookie?
There's like durian, all kinds here.
Just so you guys know, we haven't even made it to the baggage claim, okay? It smells already.
Ooh!
Can you eat
What kind of cake could this be? It smells eggs, it smells durian. Wow. Alright guys, so we just grabbed a Grab taxi. It's way cheaper.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yes, what we do is we help people to travel. Oh, you guys know where to go. Alright guys, so we just arrived at our Airbnb, and by the way, the easiest option was for us to take the Grab taxi. And Jade, careful because there's a car behind you.
Okay, I don't want to die.
So every Airbnb has their own trick for you to get inside when the host's not there to receive you. Oh, you found the passcode and you got the key.
Office card.
Alright, let's go.
And I have their mail too, but I'm not gonna.
Leave them out. Oh, and this is the shadiest elevator.
Come, please.
Okay. Wow, look at this fresh condo. So let's start with the living room. You have a perfect red couch here with the sink, kitchen, microwave where Jade's gonna be cooking. You have a perfect office desk here where I'll be working. And one good thing here, the freezer, the fridge will contain a lot of durian that we will buy soon. And look at the shower right here. This is like a good American Western standard. The toilet is big enough. And one special feature I have to say, there's I've never seen so many contact lights here. You have like so many. Why there is so much just for one small room? This contact here, one light. And the other one, I guess, is for each light. Now, following to the main reason why we are here, this is the bedroom. Look at this beautiful bed. And are you guys ready for the show? This is the view. And come with me. There's the main feature that Jade noticed immediately when she walks in. The washing machine. Alright guys, so this concludes the tour of this Airbnb. If you guys want to do some Airbnb, it's a really cheap way to find lodging. Use our referral link in the box, in the description box. You'll benefit from up to 45 Canadian dollar on your first booking. You have to pay the driver.
Yes.
She forgot.
Because I'm used to Uber. Uber, it takes on my credit card, you know? We're here.
So hungry. Apparently there's one meal you have to try here. It's the wonton mee. I think it's a wonton noodle. Yeah.
Because mee is noodle here, so.
80.
80. 3 days.
I know, but we just arrived. Thank you.
Okay, well, starting.
but this one has a dessert.
Smell it. If you see me taking these pictures, not because I'm a lover, fan of motorbike. It's just, you know, you take the picture, show what are the damages before you return the bike.
So that's gonna be our baby for the next 3 days.
Yeah.
Here on Penang.
Alright guys, looks like we just stumbled on the street food market. It is not too far from Julia Street. We circle around, but we're gonna try to link at the bottom of the screen the name of the street so you guys can find it back later. Oh, look at these octopus.
Yeah, that's heavy.
The toughest part now is to decide at which stand we're gonna eat.
Because we only have one stomach.
Yeah,
It's so hard.
and there are so many
There's so much
choice,
food here.
and they all look very yummy.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, this is a camera.
Yeah.
You see, this is you, this is me.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Starter, we have some fried oyster. I just ordered for myself a beer, and it looks like a giant beer. Look at these oyster. Yum. It's oyster with some eggs, and there's a liquid that I can't guess what it is.
Is that? Well, it's like.
It's like jelly.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Don't ask so many questions if you're eating Chinese food, okay?
Yeah.
That's just what it is.
Chicken leg ada hai?
no, chicken.
Chicken spicy?
Spicy, very spicy. Thank you.
Yes. This guy just walk around the food court, starting asking food to everybody, and then they all come to me to collect money. Why is that?
I remember when I was young, I was just walking into this kind of market. I was just like, I want this, I want this, I
When
want
you were
this.
like 4 years old,
And they all come and...
you're not 4 years old anymore.
Guys, this is some fresh noodle. Just made it.
Just so you guys know, it's called fried kwai po. It looks like a patsu.
It looks like a yummy plate for me.
Okay, eat. You don't want to use the glass. You're just gonna chug a liter of beer.
Another one who's gonna come collect you, Jade. Thank you. It says that this is some beer. I don't know what it is, but it is vegetable inside.
Oh, it is like beer. It's Chinese radish, the white radish, with eggs and salad. But in the Vietnamese roll, they put it in the rice, on the transparent rice paper. But this is some kind of thing they made up right now. Okay, you want me to feed you? Is that why? Less than 45 ringgit, including the beer.
Yeah.
The prices are really reasonable here.
Good Lord, I'm so full. Very full. Okay, so now we're gonna go find a durian. We saw so many stands, so we're gonna go find a durian. Okay, Jade? Oh, talking about durian, there's one just right here. Okay guys, so we just found a durian shop. It's just right next and it smells so good.
So we're gonna let you guys go. If you like today's vlog, please click on the little thumbs up button